Vehicle with foreign nationals slams into security building.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police have launched an investigation into an incident where a motor vehicle carrying foreign nationals ran off the road and slammed into sections of a security company in Kingston on Friday the 15th of May. The impact of the crash broke down the steel gate that is at the entrance to the security company. Details into the development are still sketchy, but reports are that the foreign nationals were later accosted after they were seen leaving the location where the crash took place. It is not known if they sustained any injuries during the incident. A video of the crash has been making the rounds on social media. The police confirmed that they received reports of an incident where a vehicle ran off the road and onto premises of King Alarm but did not provide further details. However, sources have disclosed that at least one of the occupants in the vehicle is believed to be a foreign diplomat. John Azar, King Alarm managing director, confirmed that the gate and other sections of the security facility were damaged. Azar said the incident has left his staff members in shock. He said that he was, however, thankful that none of his employees were injured, even though a number of them were on the premises at the time of the crash. Azar said if the gate of the premises was open at the time of the incident, the situation would have been much worse.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.